Friends, we can discuss some community health nursing questions today for coming nursing exam. Please like, share. If you are new here, please subscribe our channel. First question, 20-point program started at 1975, 1980, 1960, 1940. Correct answer is 1975. 20-point program started at 1975. The 20-point program TPP was launched by the government of India in 1975 by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. A package. TPP is a package of program comprising schemes relating to poverty alleviation, employment generation, education, health, etc. So this program included poverty alleviation, employment, job opportunities generation, education and health. Next question, in Gobi of UNICEF, G refers to. In Gobi, G refers to growth retardation, growth monitoring, general. Correct answer is growth monitoring. In Gobi of UNICEF, G refers to growth monitoring. UNICEF means United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Gobi means growth monitoring of young children, O oral rehydration therapy, B promotion of breastfeeding, I immunization. So please note each first letter related to all option you have to study. എല്ലാ ഓപ്ഷനും നിങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കണം. O oral rehydration therapy, B breastfeeding, I immunization. That is Gobi. Multi-drug therapy is used in the treatment of TB, leprosy, rubella, typhoid. Correct answer is leprosy. Multi-drug therapy is used in the treatment of leprosy. Since 1995, WHO has applied MDT, multi-drug therapy, free of cost to leprosy patients in all endemic countries. Since 1995, WHO has supplied MDT free of cost to leprosy patients in all endemic countries. The drug used in World Health Organization, MDT, are a combination of rifampicin, clofazimine, dapsone. Rifampicin, clofazimine and dapsone. So these three drugs include in multi-drug therapy for leprosy patients. Supplied all endemic countries all over the world by WHO. Horrocks apparatus is used hardness of water, pathogenic organism in water, level of residual chlorine demand of water. Correct answer is chlorine demand of water. Horrocks apparatus is used chlorine demand of water. Horrocks apparatus is used for estimating the dose of bleaching powder needed to disinfect 455 liters of water. Mostly used disinfectant water of a well. Greenhouse gases do not include carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, ozone. Correct answer is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide do not include greenhouse gases. Examples of greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone. Water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone. Greenhouse gases trap heat in Earth's atmosphere. The most common scoring system used to describe the level of consciousness in a person following a traumatic brain injury. Apgar score, Glasgow Coma Scale, CAM ICU score, pain scale. Correct answer is Glasgow Coma Scale. It's a common scale used level of consciousness, especially in ICU. Apgar score used in newborn babies, 1 and 5 minutes. Pain scale used in ICU and general ward for detecting the pain of the patient. CAM, that is full form of CAM, means Confusion Assessment Method. It is a standardized evidence-based tool that enables non-psychiatrically trained clinicians to identify and recognize delirium. So CAM, Confusion Assessment Method, to assess the delirium level of the patient. Delirium എന്നുള്ള കണ്ടീഷനിലുള്ള നമ്മൾ ഡിറ്റക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ടൂളാണ് കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ അസസ്മെന്റ് മെത്തേഡ്. ഇപ്പൊ നോൺ സൈക്യാട്രിക്കലി ട്രെയിൻഡ് അല്ലാത്ത ഡോക്ടർമാർക്കും നഴ്സുമാർക്കും ഒക്കെ ഉപയോഗിക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു സ്കെയിലാണ് കാം മെത്തേഡ്. We can see the Glasgow Coma Scale here. Total score is 15. Total score of Glasgow Coma Scale is 15. Minimum score is 3. That means deeply comatized patient or dead patients, Glasgow Coma Scale score is 3. Minimum score is 3, maximum 15. Here we are observing eye opening, best verbal response, best motor response we are assessing. Micro elements is otherwise known as trace elements, macro elements, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer is trace elements. Micro elements is otherwise known as trace elements. Micro elements examples are iron, manganese, zinc, boron, copper, molybdenum, silicon. Macro elements examples are chloride, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium. The National AIDS Control Organization, NACO, established in 1990, 1988, 1991, 1992. Correct answer is 1992. NACO established in 1992. AIDS, the first case of AIDS detected in India 1986 among female sex workers in Chennai. South Africa has the highest number of people living with HIV. Now South Africa has the highest number of people living with HIV, that is 7.5 million. 7.5 million. 7.5 million people living with AIDS. How much population is coming under PHC? 3,000 to 5,000, 1,000 to 2,000, 80,000 to 1.2 lakh, 20,000 to 30,000. This is the most repeated question. Coming under PHC, there is 20,000 to 30,000 population. We can discuss here. Subcenter is the most peripheral center in our health system, then primary health center, then community health center, then district hospital, then medical college. Medical college is the tertiary level. Medical college is the tertiary level, and up to CHC primary level. Up to CHC primary level. Subcenter 3,000 to 5,000 population. PHC 20,000 to 30,000 population. CSC 80,000 to 1.2 lakh population. This is primary level. District hospital is the secondary level. Medical college is the tertiary level. Please by heart all these points. Please understand all these points. India's first coronavirus reported in Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Kerala, Lakshadweep. Correct answer is Kerala. January 30, 2020. January 30, 2020. Thrissur, 3 students of Kerala origin from Wuhan city reported corona positive. So first coronavirus reported in Kerala. An injectable contraceptive. Mala D, Net En, Mala L, Copper T. Correct answer is Net N. In this option, Net N is an injection. Mala D is a tablet. Mala L also a tablet. Copper T is a device. All of these 4 options are contraceptives. But Mala D and Mala L is a tablet. Copper T is a device. Net In is an injection. Other name of Net N is Depo-Provera or dopot medroxyprogesterone acetate or DPMA. So an injectable contraceptive is Net N. The tail of IUD made of nylon, copper, silicone, silastic. Correct answer is nylon. IUD means intrauterine device. IUD is a T-shaped birth control device inserted into the uterus to prevent pregnancy. There are 2 types of IUDs, copper IUD and hormonal IUD. Constant presence of a disease within a geographic area, endemic, exotic, pandemic, outbreak. Correct answer is endemic. Constant presence of a disease within a geographic area, that is endemic. Exotic diseases are imported into a country, otherwise it do not occur. Example, rabies in UK. Exotic diseases are imported into a country from other country. Example പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ രാജ്യത്ത് നിന്ന് വേറെ രാജ്യത്തിലേക്ക് ഒരു രോഗം പോകുന്നു. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ അത് സ്പ്രെഡ് ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ എന്നുള്ളതാണ് എക്സോട്ടിക് ഡിസീസ്. A pandemic is defined as an epidemic occurring worldwide. Nowadays, you know very well about corona, that is a pandemic, or over a very wide area crossing international boundaries and usually affecting a large number of people. That is pandemic. No need of examples. Endemic is something that belongs to a particular people or country. Some examples of endemics include chickenpox and malaria, where there are a predictable number of cases every year in certain parts of the world. So endemic is something that belongs to a particular people or country. ഒരു പ്രത്യേക സ്ഥലത്തോ ഒരു പ്രത്യേക രാജ്യത്തോ മാത്രം ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതാണ് എൻഡമിക്. ഉദാഹരണം പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ മലേറിയയും ചിക്കൻ പോക്സും നമ്മുടെ രാജ്യത്തിൽ മിക്കവാറും സമയങ്ങളിലുണ്ട്. അതൊരു സമയത്തുണ്ടാവും, പിന്നെ അത് ഉണ്ടാകില്ല. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എൻഡമിക്. So that's all for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. All the best for your exam.